This is our standard plug-in pendant light cord set. Each one of our plug-in pendants comes with a 3-prong plug, and 2 feet from that plug we have a thumb switch for easy on and off capability. Our cord sets come with a standard medium base socket, so it'll fit any bulb that you may have. And if you need a bulb to pair it with, check out our LED and incandescent line. Our standard plug-in pendant also comes with a shade-ready ring, so you can easily attach one of our many shade variations. If you'd like to use one of our cages with the standard plug-in pendant, you can remove the shade-ready ring and then apply the cage. Each one of our standard cord sets is UL listed and certified for the United States and Canada. Every standard plug-in pendant comes with assembly instructions as well as basic swag hooks. We do offer upgrades for swag hooks, which you can find on our website under the Accessories tab. Our standard plug-in pendant provides you with a lot of versatility within any space. You can swag it, sconce it, or get creative, such as using it as a table lamp with one of our cages. Each standard cord set comes with high quality fabric covering, and you've got about 15 feet of cord to work with. And in true color cord fashion, our standard plug-in pendants are offered in over 35 different colors.